This video is for anybody who trades on Breakout Prop or was thinking about giving it a try. I had someone specifically ask me a question in my private group, which is called the Profit Circle, about whether they want to purchase the classic one-step or two-step. This video is not financial advice. I'm not giving any strategies in this video. This is for educational purposes only. I'm only going to be showing the differences between the different evaluation types on Breakout Prop, and then I can give my opinion on which one I like, and I'll do that before this video ends. But first, I'm just going to go over the differences. I'm going to also talk about what everything means on this screen for the different types of evaluations, and also I'm going to tell you how to get a discount if you purchase a Breakout Prop evaluation. So let's jump right into it. This is the Buy Evaluations tab on the inside of your Breakout Prop account after you've already created an account. So you have to determine which one do you want to buy. I've been trading on Breakout Prop for almost 2 years now, so I've seen what it looked like before they had a Pro and a Turbo and what's changed over time. And basically, the Classic is what they started with, and I'm going to go over what the rules are currently for a Classic. They actually made one small change, which I talk about in my last video. Also, I'm going to be making a series of videos, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. This is going to be, I guess, part 2, but there's going to be part 3, 4, 5, and more as I go along this journey. I'm trying to teach people how to trade on prop trading firms like Breakout Prop for 2026. The most basic difference between the one-step and the two-step is the fact that on the one-step, you only have to pass one goal in order to become funded. In the two-step, you have to pass 2 separate goals. Okay. Now here are the pros and cons as I see them. The $100,000 account requires you to make $10,000 before you lose 6% in order to pass the evaluation and become a funded trader. On the two-step, you have to pass 5,000 once. When you pass it, it'll say, congratulations, you passed it. And then it starts you over again with 100,000, and then you've got to pass the $10,000. What that means is you have to pass a total of $15,000 before you're funded. You say, well, why would you do that? The reason is because of the max drawdown amount. On the one-step, the max drawdown is 6%. On the two-step, the max drawdown is 8%, meaning you have more wiggle room on the two-step than you do on the one-step. Now, this is a matter of trading strategy, a trading style. If you like having an account where you can go negative bigger because maybe you're using a larger amount of money or something like that, then you might want to try the two-step. But, you have to pass twice. So it's a little bit harder, having to pass this evaluation twice, okay? Now, the other difference is the max daily loss. On the one-step, it's only 3%, and on two-step, it's 5%. That 2% difference can be really big depending on how you trade. Again, it's totally up to you. In a different video, I will go over some trading strategies that I've used to pass both the one-step and the two-step. Okay. Now, if you look at the Pro, which is one of the newer products they offer, on the Pro, it's still a one-step. I know you see two-step up here, but it's really just a one-step because I go like this, it disappears. So it's just the Pro is only a one-step. For the $100,000 account, you got to get 12,000. So that's like saying you have to make 12% before you lose 5% max drawdown. Okay. So that's like saying before you lose 5,000 max drawdown or 3% a day, you got to make 12% to pass the Pro. To pass the Turbo, you only got to make 9,000, which is, $3,000 easier, 3% easier to get funded. But then you only get 3% max drawdown. The other obvious difference is the price. You see here, price on Turbo, price on Pro, price on Classic. Excuse me, right here on 100,000, price on Classic. As you also noticed, there's also a $200,000 option on Pro and Turbo. Now, I personally just started a Turbo $200,000. I have not tried it long enough to pass it yet. I have my other account, so I'm going to be coming back to you guys, so make sure you subscribe so I can show you what happened on that. And then this right here is you have to get, $18,000 before losing 3%. And the other thing is the built-in leverage. I have other videos that explain leverage, a really great video I'll put up here in the corner that explains the leverage. It's one of the hardest things for a breakout prop trader to wrap their head around when they're new. Even if you're an experienced trader like I was before I started trading on breakout prop, I still had to get used to the built-in leverage. You get up to 5x on Bitcoin and Ethereum and 2x on everything else, but you don't really see it. What you see is your P&L moving 5 times faster and your trading fees 5 times higher. Because what it really means is, for example, if I was going to put $200,000 on one Bitcoin trade, that's the same as having $1 million worth of buying power because it's 5 times as much. So you got $1 million worth of buying power for this price down here on a Turbo. So there's a big advantage here for using Breakout Prop for that purpose. But of course, that cuts both directions, right? It can go against you a lot faster as well, and it takes some getting used to. You have to actually see price action and your P&L moving 5 times fast to certainly get a feel for it. So, anyways, there's another video on that. I definitely want to call out that if you want to save money on your evaluation, you can use my discount code GGRF7W on any evaluation, and you'll save money on that evaluation. Also, I earn a commission, which helps the channel, and I can make more videos like this for you guys. Make sure you join my private group, The Profit Circle, where we share trade setups, but also answer questions directly. Again, I'm making this video because somebody just asked me about it in the Profit Circle general chat today. It's free to join that. There's a premium site as well, and we can show you how to join that for free as well. But come into the group and say hello, and I'll welcome you, or someone else will as well. Not just my admin. It's a group of traders where we all help each other win. That's the Profit Circle. So that's pretty much it for the scope of this video. Classic, Pro, Turbo, or Classic 1-step, 2-step. Those are the basic differences. This is not, perfectly curated video like some of my other videos are going to be, but I like to respond to the community right away. Definitely in there 7 days a week in my private Discord group, The Profit Circle. So come in there, say hello. I give my daily analysis, but also some specific trade setups on specific coins that are traded inside Breakout Prop. We talk about those every day as well. A lot of great traders in there winning every day. So that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, share with any friends who are interested in prop trading, and follow your boy Cassius Couve. Been trading for almost 7 years now, over 7 years now, almost 8 years, and technical analysis expert, pro trader, and someone who likes to help others win. So make sure you follow your boy, and I got you.